In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to crop an image so that the end result will look like the one on the right. Here's the image that I want to crop. First, click on the image so that it's selected. When it's selected, you see the purple outline. Then, hover over to one of the purple lines, like the one on the left. And notice how the cursor changes. Initially, it looks like an arrow with just one arrow. Then, when you hover over the purple, now we see a line with two arrows. Then, left-click and drag the line to crop out the parts that you don't want. So for me, I have removed the little boy on the left. Now, I'm going to do the same on the right. Hover over the purple outline. Then, click and drag. Release when I get to the part that I want. And I also want to do the same thing down here. There, now I have cropped the image.